Have you ever wondered what it would be like to travel back in time or leap into the future? Time travel, an intriguing concept that has captured our collective imagination for generations. It's a staple of science fiction, from H.G. Wells' Time Machine to the delightful escapades of Doraemon and Nobita. But is it scientifically plausible? Enter Albert Einstein and his groundbreaking theory of relativity, which suggests that time is not a fixed entity, but rather a fabric woven together with space. This space-time fabric, when manipulated, could theoretically allow for time travel. Similarly, physicist Stephen Hawking proposed the existence of wormholes, cosmic shortcuts through space and time. However, as tantalizing as these theories are, they remain just that, theories. We have yet to discover a practical way to traverse the corridors of time. As it stands, we're still grounded in the present, looking to the past, and dreaming of the future. So, time travel, while fascinating, remains a tantalizing concept just beyond our current scientific reach. Now imagine a world where Doraemon's gadgets are a reality. How would that change our lives? Let's dive into some of Doraemon's most remarkable inventions. Take the Anywhere door, for instance. It's a concept that resonates with the idea of wormholes in space-time, a theory presented by Einstein's general relativity. Or consider the Time Machine. This device toys with the idea of traveling through time, a concept that has fascinated scientists and fiction writers alike. From Einstein's relativity to quantum mechanics, the Time Machine incorporates many intriguing scientific theories. And who could forget the memory bread? This gadget suggests an interesting approach to knowledge acquisition and memory recall, almost like a metaphor for how our brain absorbs information. These gadgets, while currently confined to the realm of animation, echo some real scientific principles and theories. Despite their fantastical nature, Doraemon's gadgets do spark interesting scientific discussions. Let's delve deeper into the science behind these captivating gadgets. First up, the Anywhere door. This remarkable device allows users to travel instantly to any location. Sounds impossible, right? Perhaps not. This concept aligns closely with the idea of wormholes in physics. Wormholes are theoretical passages through space-time that could create shortcuts for long journeys across the universe. While the existence of wormholes is yet to be proven, the Anywhere door gives us a playful glimpse of their potential. Next, we have the Time Machine. This gadget operates on the principles of Einstein's theory of relativity. According to this theory, time is not a constant phenomenon but varies depending on the speed at which an object is moving and the strength of the gravitational field it is in. So, theoretically, if we could travel at the speed of light or find a way to manipulate gravity, time travel might just be possible. Doraemon's time machine might be a whimsical fantasy, but it's grounded in some serious science. Finally, let's talk about memory bread. This gadget allows you to absorb knowledge simply by eating bread imprinted with text. While it sounds like a student's dream come true, it's not as far-fetched as it seems. This concept is related to advanced neurobiology and the idea that our brains can be directly fed with information. While we currently don't have the technology to do this, the memory bread gives us a taste of what the future of learning might look like. So, there you have it. Doraemon's gadgets might seem like pure fantasy, but they're actually based on scientific theories and principles. They're a fascinating blend of science fiction and potential future technologies. While we may not see these gadgets in our lifetime, the science behind them certainly provides food for thought. Where does this leave us in the intersection of fantasy and reality? Science fiction often acts as a catalyst for real scientific advancements. It's a fascinating dance where the imagined inspires the actual, and in turn, the actual propels the imagined. From Jules Verne's submarine in 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, to the communicators in Star Trek, we've seen fiction morph into reality time and time again. This dance is driven by two key players: imagination and curiosity. These are the tools that enable us to envision the future, to dream of worlds beyond our own, and to push the boundaries of what's possible in science and technology. They fuel our desire to explore, innovate, and create. In the context of Doraemon's gadgets, we may be far from developing a real time machine or a gadget that can make us invisible. Yet the mere act of imagining these devices sparks conversations and drives research in fields like quantum physics and nanotechnology. And who knows, perhaps one day, the line between Doraemon's world and ours might blur, making what once seemed impossible, possible.